Hello everyone. In this video I have given to 20 GK questions from the SSC previous year questions, very important for your upcoming all competitive exam. Then you are must watching videos. Then without waste your time, let's start. Question 1. Which script is predominantly used in the inscriptions of Emperor Ashoka? Option A, Kharosthi. Option B, Devanagari. Option C, Tamil. Option D, Brahmi. Correct answer, Brahmi. Importance points. Brahmi is one of the oldest written script in India and it served as the precursor to many modern Indian scripts including Devanagari. The decipherment of Brahmi script was achieved by James Prinsep in 1837. Next, the following best characterized the Mathura school of Buddhist art and architecture. Option A, use of sandstone and floral arches. Option B, Hellenistic drapery and realism. Option C, indigenous features with Yaksha influence. Option D, predominantly wooden monastery design. Correct answer, option C, indigenous features with Yaksha influence. Next, the Pola festival celebrated in the Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh is dedicated to which of the following? Option A, cow worship. Option B, rain prayer. Option C, bull worship. Option D, harvest sale. Correct answer, bull worship. Pola festival is a significant cultural celebration dedicated to bull worship in the Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh and other parts of India. The Pola festival is celebrated during the month of Shravan, August to September, as per Hindu calendar. Farmers organize various events such as bull's cart race, bull decorations competition and cultural performance. Next, Sun Temple at Konark look like a big chariot. How many horses does it have? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 7. Correct answer, option D, 7. Importance points. The Sun Temple at Konark, located in Odisha, India, is renowned for its unique architectural design resembling a giant chariot. The chariot has 24 wheels, 12 pairs, symbolizing the 24 hours of a day or the 12th month of the year. It is pulled by 7 magnificently sculpted horses, representing the 7th day of the week. The temple was built in the 13th century by King Narasimha Deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty and is dedicated to the sun god Surya. Question 5. What was the role of the Indian Council established by the Government of the India Act 1858? Option A, the control trade with India. Option B, to advise the Secretary of State. Option C, to represent Indian opinion in Britain. Option D, to revive court judgment. Correct answer, to advise the Secretary of State. Importance points. Government of India Act 1858 passed following the Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny. The act marked the end of the rule of the East India Company and transferred control of India to the British Crown. The act introduced centralized governance under the Crown, aiming to prevent further rebellions and improve administrative efficiency. Next, who is the author of the book The Great Indian Novel? Option A, Devdutt Patnaik. Option B, Shashi Tharoor. Option C, Sanjeev Sanyal. Option D, Gurucharan Das. Right answer, option B, Shashi Tharoor. Importance points. Some of the notable books included An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India, Why I Am Hindu, The Paradoxical Prime Ministers, and Pax Indica. Next, the minimum number of rays required to locate the image formed by a spherical mirror. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Correct answer 2. Question 7. Which of the following best define capital receipt? Option A, receipts that increase government revenue permanently. Option B, receipt that reduce financial liabilities of the government. Option C, receipt that create liability or reduce government asset. Option D, receipt that do not impact government assets or liabilities. Correct answer option C, receipt that create liability or reduce government assets. Next, importance points. Capital receipt refer to the funds received by the government that earlier create a liability or reduce its assets. These receipts are non-recurring in nature and are not a part of the regular income system of the government. These receipts include borrowing, loans, disinvestment proceeds, and recovery of loans given by the government of the other entities. Next, the lead bank scheme was introduced in which year? Option A 1969, option B 1975, option C 1980, option D 1990. Correct answer 1969. 1916 the lead bank scheme was introduced. Important points. The lead bank schemes was introduced by the Reserve Bank of India RBI in 1869. It is based on the recommendation of the Gadgil study group. The primary object was to ensure that banking service and credit facilities reach the underserved and unbanked regions, especially rural area, to promote financial inclusion. Next, which 5-year plan laid the foundation of the Indian socialist pattern of society? Option A first plan, option B second plan, option C third plan, option D fourth plan. Right answer second plan. Next, which sectors were largely excluded from industrial license after 1991? Option A defense and telecom, option B alcohol, cigarette and explosive, option C textile and fertilizers, option D agriculture and education. Correct answer alcohol, cigarettes, explosives. Alcohol, cigarette, explosive were largely excluded from industrial license after 1991. Importance points. In 1991, India underwent significant economic liberalization which aimed to reduce government control over industries and encourage private sector participation. Industrial policy of 1991 was landmark decisions by the government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Next, which of the following is a key requirement for admissibility of an electronic records under the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam BSA, even it is a second evident? Option A, it must be handwritten and notarized. It must be part of hard drive submitted to court. It must be published in the Gazette. It must be accompanied by a certificate. Right answer option D, it must be accompanied by a certificate. The reign of Prithviraj Chauhan conclude in which year? Option A 1175 CE, option B 1192 CE, option C 1206 CE, option D 1210 CE. Correct answer option B 1192 CE. Importance points. Prithviraj Chauhan, also known as Rai Pithora, was a prominent ruler of the Chauhan dynasty who ruled over the parts of the present-day Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. The first Battle of Tarain took place in 1191 CE between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Prithviraj Chauhan emerged victorious in this battle. In second Battle of Tarain, Muhammad Ghori returned with a prepared and large army. His reign ended in 1192 CE after the second Battle of Tarain, where he defeated the Muhammad Ghori and the ruler of the Ghurid dynasty. Next, Which ex-Prime Minister of India is known as Chanakya of modern India? Option A. Charan Singh, Option B. VP Singh, Option C. PV Narasimha Rao, Option D. Gk Gujral. Right answer, Option C. PV Narasimha Rao. Importance points. PV Narasimha Rao was the 9th Prime Minister of India, 1191 to 1196. He is also referred to as Chanakya of modern India for his ability to get legislations passed even while heading a minority government. The duo of PV Narasimha Rao and Manmohan Singh, Finance Minister, led the economic reform of 1991 and saved India from an economic crisis. Next, tiger belong to which category under IUCN? Option A. Endangered, Option B. Critical endangered, Option C. Extinct, Option D. Vulnerable. Right answer, endangered. Which metal was earlier called wolfram? Option A. Tungsten, Option B. molybdenum, Option C. zinc, Option D. radium. Correct answer, tungsten. Importance points. Tungsten is also called wolfram, which is chemical element with the symbol of W and atomic number 74. The name of tungsten comes from the former Swedish name of the tungstate mineral satellite, tungstens or heavy stone. Next, the pH of liquid was found to be 7. Which liquid is it likely to be? Option A. Alkali, Option B. water, Option C. acid, Option D. saline. Correct answer, water. Question 16. Which process helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals from the roots to the leaves? Option A. sedimentation, Option B. condensation, Option C. accumulations, Option D. transpiration. Correct answer, transpiration. Importance points. Transpiration help in the absorption and upward movement of water and mineral dissolved in it from roots to the leaf. The transpiration also help in the temperature regulation in plant. Question 17. In December 2016, the National Payment Corporations of India developed a mobile payment app named as Option A. Nokul, Option B. Gandhi, Option C. Janak, Option D. Bhim. Correct answer, Bhim. Next, the city of Victory, Ssc In dash was built during the glorious region of the Mughals. Option A. Jaipur, Option B. Bidar, Option C. Aligarh, Option D. Agra. Correct answer, Agra. Importance points. The city of Victory, Fatehpur Sikri in Agra was built during the glorious reign of the Mughals. Fatehpur Sikri is a small city of northern India just west of Agra, founded by 16th century Mughal emperor. Red sandstone buildings clusters at the center. Buland Darwaza Gate is the entrance of Jama Masjid Mosque. What does T stand for in ATM? Option A. teller, Option B. trunk, Option C. translation, Option D. transfer. Correct answer, teller. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. Next, Dash is the highest gallantry award for officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches of India. Option A. Parambir Chakra, Option B. Surya Chakra, Option C. Mahavir Chakra, Option D. Kriti Chakra. Option A. Parambir Chakra is the correct answer. Parambir Chakra (PVC) is the highest gallantry award for officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches of India for the highest degree of courage in the presence of enemy. Introduced on 26 January 1950, this award may be given posthumously. Thank you. Thank you so much friends watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to click bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.